Jouni is happy today. I bought for myself a Christmas present. $564 XPG Husqvarna. A new fuel-injected beast. What a beautiful one. The plastic is still shiny. The blade is untouched. It's coming with full chisel chain, 72 links. 1.5 is the link width, and the 3/8 is the divide. Quick ones, both. You don't have to use any tool. There you can see the amount of the gasoline. There is the button for fuel inject pressure. There is the stop, clutch. Otherwise this looks quite normally. There is the switch for the heating element. The power 4 kilowatts, 62.4 cubic centimeters is the volume of the cylinder. So this is no limbing chainsaw. I think it's only for felling, at least with me. But Husqvarna doesn't have any other model which could be the fuel inject system. So it's nice to try what kind of experience I'm going to get when it's going to real work. But now I'm going to compare with my MS400, the old one. I know there is MS400.1, but I still have this old good one. So let's see how does it work when we cut some pieces. Okay. The feeling in my hands was that the steel was still biting better. I don't know. Of course, this is brand new. This is old one. So I think it's going to get better after I have been sawing with it maybe a couple of weeks. You know, the cylinder and the piston, they are, how do I say, they go together smoothly.